So at Aibuild, we make slicing software for large-scale additive manufacturing. A big target market for this technology is composite mold tools for aerospace. There's a large advantage in terms of cost and lead time that it can bring, but the barrier, the blocker to it being widely used is the thermal expansion of the materials that you're able to print with. So the big advantage that our software delivers for users is really time saved, and that's broken down over many steps of the production process. At the start of the production process, it's reduced time around changing your design for additive manufacturing. Because of the flexibility that our software allows, you need to change your design less to make it manufacturable. A step after that is time around doing your CAM, preparing your toolpath for the given parts. That's reduced up to 70–80% in our software, thanks to all the little bits of automation. The step after that is during printing, it can reduce production time by up to 60%. And with the final step, reduce post-processing, thanks to better surface finish and tighter dimensional tolerances straight off the build plate.